What's up, traders? Greenwood Stocks, aka Black Wall Street, coming at you, and we wanted to bring you a live trade today. So the trade today is GTEC, Greenland Technologies Holding. What is the catalyst? Right now, let's go and see what the PR is. Greenland Technologies shares are trading higher. The company reported it will begin offering integrated electric drivetrain system to existing forklift OEM clientele. So what does that mean? That means that just think about all of the future electric forklifts. Think about the ones that exist now, and just think about them supplying or having a piece of that market. So it doesn't say a particular amount of revenue that could bring yet. Okay, sometimes they don't. Sometimes it's just speculation. All of the stock market is speculation. Okay, it's nothing that's going to be set in stone. Companies that have been earning money and reporting good for years sometimes don't even move, and companies that are losing money, the stock is just going crazy. Okay, that's just the market. It's not based on how much a company is worth all the time. It's based on who's buying the stock. That's it. If the market is buying stock. So we got in right here at 425. Okay. 425, this thing starts to run. So remember, we need consolidation. Okay, let's get some drawings on here. We need consolidation. We need consolidation in range. We need range and consolidation. So right out the gate, we like to show you stocks that haven't had volume. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this daily volume. Daily volume on here. Remember, we like to go from zero to lots of volume. Trading at 28,000 shares. Okay, look at that. 28,000 shares right there. 28,000 shares. 32,000 shares. 37,000 shares. Now we're at 90,000 shares yesterday versus what are we today? 64 million shares. Okay, 64 million shares. Now, normally, the biggest move are going to come from stocks that haven't had lots of volume in the past. Okay, we always say little to no volume to some volume produce the biggest move. Now you see this stock is up 121%. Don't worry, because we're looking at ranges. Okay, we're looking at ranges first and foremost, and risk versus reward. So let's go back to our drawings. Take this time to sell off. Once it breaks out of a range, remember, we talk about support and resistance. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Once it blows through resistance, because what breaks resistance? Volume. It blows through. Now it starts trading in a tighter range. What's that tighter range? Let's see. It's going to be right here. The way you can look at the ranges and know the ranges are the wicks that you see. Okay, so once it breaks up, it breaks out, it tests the support. Remember, the support was resistance. Now it's support. The ceiling becomes the floor becomes the ceiling. It tries to break 470 again, tries to break 470 again, tries to break 470 again, gets pushed back down to the support, tries to go below 428, tries to break 470 again, and then finally you see this big volume burst through to this upper range. Okay, now the next leg of the stock is still running. We're not coming to you after market hours. We're coming to you during market hours right now. The stock is still running. Okay, so this range, this support is still holding. This trend line is still holding. Okay, as long as it doesn't break below here, we're good. But it's going to have to break above the $6 range, because it's tried 1, 2. Kind of tried again, and then it fell back to support. So looks like it's going to. We probably should have held on to this stock a lot longer, but sometimes you just got to take profits and move on. All right, hope you liked. If you want to see how to identify these stocks and get great entries, get a feel for the market and how we trade in our philosophy, be sure you sign up for coaching. We got time slots, 5 to 9 Central Time after the market closes, and other flexible schedules as well. Email us at greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com or find us on Twitter. Have a good one.